Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location on this tablet. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then select Close in the pop-up to disable location. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, location of my device is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can always just go into Settings, click on Location section, and then tap on this sweater next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!